NOLA Gent here, and we've got my pal the Major here. He got an AirBNB on St. Charles. We're gonna go check it out, and I spilled coffee all over my shirt, so good times. Welcome to NOLA Gent. Let the good times roll. So this house the Airbnb's inside of is located right on the world famous beautiful St. Charles Avenue and is really near Tulane University. So this is a really fantastic spot right here at the intersection of St. Charles Avenue and Pine. And as we're looking down Pine Street, here's the side view on Pine Street. And that takes us back to the rear view. So you can see this really is a beautiful house and it's certainly got some nice characteristics. So let's go ahead and head on up these steps and check it out.
I hope I can open this thing hung over. That's pretty cool. The deck here and everything.
I go exercise equipment, go work out.
Again, I hope I can. This evening, I hope I can open that thing.
Very nice.
Yeah.
You're gonna cook your breakfast here tomorrow?
No.
Oh, there you go. Very cozy. Got a nice big closet.
Yeah.
And what's your bathroom right here?
Yeah, to the left.
The left? Oh. All Major's equipment over here. Oh, you've already been imbibing in some adult beverages.
Yep, a little bit. Yeah, special military version of rum. Military PX, they make their own rum.
Oh, wow. The bathroom's quite huge.
Yes, very spacious.
Very nice. And they gave you some free beads, so you're prepared for carnival season already.
Yeah, there's beads everywhere. There's lots of things.
These old New Orleans houses always have some fantastic relics of their history, or these really old school electrical controls. Oh, so, and you wear your cute Star Wars shirt. You gonna wear that tonight?
No.
So, what are you doing tonight for?
Well, we're going to see an 80s band, a classic alternative. They play The Cure, they play Depeche Mode, things like that. Should be cool. Should be a good time.
Great.
Yeah.
Because everybody misses the Major on the NOLA Gent channel. So.
Well, I've been away a little while, so I've been away. So playing more golf though. I'm playing a lot more golf.
Very cute golf.
Yeah. And I hope I get to the point where I feel nothing later.
Oh wow, there's a lot more closet space in here. Huh. That's pretty great.
Doesn't work well.
Oh well.
Doesn't matter.
Also, no shortage of closet space, certainly. So you have no need for additional space. Oh, and the Major forgot to give us the tour of this sunroom we have here.
I was busy drinking this military rum. It's a little sunroom. Pretty cool.
Oh, that's a very nice space.
I'm gonna book this place again.
I could go work on this little office desk here and put out more NOLA Gent videos and disturb everybody. It'd be great. So this is where you have your morning coffee?
I won't be drinking coffee anymore. It'll be full recovery mode. Full recovery.
Well, are you going to tell everybody Happy New Year's?
Not yet. Not until it's Happy New Year. Yeah, Happy
Okay.
New Year.
By the time this video's out,
I mean, yeah, sure. Why not?
And what will you feel?
What will I what? I will feel fine.
Oh, fine.
Yeah.
Nothing? You won't feel nothing? You'll feel fine.
I won't feel nothing.
And be fine.
Oh, I'll be fine, but hopefully tonight I'll feel nothing. That's my plan. I'll feel nothing later.
We shall see. We shall see.
Yeah.
And what kind of music are you listening to tonight?
No, it's classic alternative. It's a band that plays all like Depeche Mode, The Cure, The Smiths. I've seen them one time about a year ago, so yeah, they rock. So yeah.
So whenever you hear a DJ playing, do you automatically go up and ask him to play the Smith song that say, "Hey,
well,
the DJ"?
I try, but I basically need to be well oiled by the time it starts. So we got to get going.
No golf tomorrow though?
No golf tomorrow. No golf tomorrow.
All right, time to engage the party
Turn it
time.
off. Let's go.
All right, we were able to get the major out for a little while, not for a long while. So, thanks so much to all of you out there for tuning into the NOLA Gent Channel, especially to my Patreons. Now, if you would so kindly, go ahead and check out the description box underneath this video where there are various links to cookbooks. If you click on one of those links, it takes you to Amazon. Even if you don't buy a cookbook, but you go ahead and buy something else you were going to buy anyway, for many of those products, I still get a little tiny commission, and it doesn't cost you anything else extra, which really also helps this channel. And then if you would just take a moment to share this video with any of your friends or contacts that would like it, as that would also really help me with that YouTube algorithm. And then tune in next time for more good food, good times, and good people. NOLA Gent here, and thanks so much for watching. And just go ahead and destroy this video right here to keep up with the fun.